Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to claim your daily bonus in Vita Mahjong. So first, open the Vita Mahjong app and sign into your account. And once you're on the main screen, look for a button or section labeled as daily bonus, daily reward or something similar. Then tap it to open the reward screen. And if today's reward is available, select the claim option. Now, depending on the version of the game, you may receive coins, lives, boosters, or another in-game reward. Some daily reward systems also have a consecutive day calendar. If that's available, make sure you return each day to keep your reward streak going. And if the bonus doesn't appear, check whether the game needs an update. Remember that daily bonuses can vary depending on the game version, region, and current events. So that was how to find and claim your Vita Mahjong daily bonus. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.